Finally. Oh, no! Ano yan? Dumating na yung aming Amazon. Excited. Diyan, no? Diyan. Piratan mo eh. So excited. Okay.
Let's open up our gift. Let's go.
Pwede na yan.
Wow! A minion toy.
What's that? Ah, yung cup. Ang laki niya pala. Hakaki mo pa.
Oh.